how is this important to water quality and trying to improve the health of the Mississippi River?
So you've probably heard of the dead zone, I'm sure, and the dead zone of the Gulf of Mexico is mostly due to nitrogen pollution. And it's a nutrient that is going to just be feeding plant growth like crazy. Plant growth feeds animal life. All of these different things fall to the bottom, start to decompose, and they're taking the oxygen directly out of the river, or pardon me, the Gulf. Mussels, I've heard them compared to a freshwater coral reef. It's a living structural environment. When you get the volume of 50,000 individuals in a very small area, you're holding the bottom of the river in place. These animals are providing a structure for plants to grow, aquatic inverts to hide, and therefore attracting fish and other predators to those mussel beds as well. You have a living animal creating a habitat and being the keystone for that ecosystem. On top of that, they filter the river. These animals are filtering out things like nitrogen. They're very involved in the nitrogen cycle. That's some of the newer research that's been coming out. And they are also involved in removing sediment particles and putting them into a material known as pseudofeces, fake poop, that they deposit on the bottom of the river, preventing it from being redistributed throughout the water column, in essence making the river clearer. Clearer the water, more sunlight penetrates. The more sunlight that penetrates, the more plants, the more oxygen, the more plants, the more food, the more animals. Mussels are really cool.